After years of neglect, one of the premier football playing fields in Port Maria, Scheemaz Park, was given a much-needed facelift by the St. Mary Municipal Corporation on Monday. The park was chosen by the organization as its Labor Day project. CEO of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation, Ethelyn Douglas, said this is just the beginning of returning the park to its former glory.
Today we are working on a sports facility because it is one of the focus theme for Labor Day 2026. And Scheemaz Park has been developed or is being developed not only by the community but also by different entities. So we're looking at what else we can do for this park today. And we know we have at least 3 stakeholders that are sitting down at present to see what further development can happen to the park to put it back into its original use, plus to have multi-use thereafter.
Douglas also explained their immediate plans for the facility.
We have done tree planting. We planted the national tree and the national flower, and we have planted some shrubs around this park. As you can see behind me, we have gentlemen that are doing general cleanup. We have done garbage collection. We have done waste separation because the community is doing plastic recycling. So we have assisted in that to separating garbage. So right now, we're in the middle of doing the cleanup.
The Forestry Department was one of the major partners on the day, donating the trees that were planted at the facility. Community members, the Social Development Commission, Tax Administration of Jamaica, and the staff of the St. Mary Municipal Corporation were the persons on the ground working at the park. Scheemaz FC are through to the final round of the National Futsal and Scrimmage Championship after topping the Northwest Regional Tournament. Here's Garfield Jones.
Action in the National Futsal Championship shifted to Western Jamaica with the staging of the Northwest Tournament at the Bayview Turf Club in Freeport, St. James. 6 teams divided into 2 zones competed, with Lucy FC topping Zone A on goal difference after all 3 teams won a game each. In Zone B, Scheemaz FC won with victories over Reggae Youths and Sandy Bay United to reach the final. In the championship decider, Scheemaz were led to victory by a double strike from Zidane Francis, who opened the scoring early in the encounter. O.J. Byers then put Scheemaz 2-0 up. However, Philip Banks reduced the deficit for Lucy before Dennis Lee restored the 2-goal advantage for Scheemaz. Francis then got his double as Scheemaz came out with a 4-1 win to be crowned the inaugural Northwest Regional Futsal Champions. Scheemaz FC then took home all that was on offer at the awards ceremony, winning the Sportsmanship Award. O.J. Myers was the top goal scorer, while Tajay Calvin was the best goalkeeper. Coach Everett Mullings was voted the top coach. Scheemaz FC will now advance to the National Championship in Kingston on June 6 at the UAJFF Captain Horace Burrell Centre of Excellence. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.
We take another break on Primetime Sports Tuesday, but stay with us. We'll be back with more in the next segment.